How about now? I think it's recording now.
All right, so ready?
Yeah. The unveiling of the rims. Aren't you supposed to be at work right now, honey?
Hey, I am working on this. I'm working.
Just don't stab that knife through your tire, okay? I'm gonna laugh if it's the other side too.
There you go. Beautiful.
Yeah.
I guess we'll flip it over.
All right.
All right, look at this style and rim. Ain't she pretty? Only dummy to run a knife across the top of his tire.
Yeah. Uh-huh. Oh my God. Are you sure?
No.
Yeah, see? You shouldn't be doing that.
Holy.
See, you're going to get too anxious and you're going to stab right through that tire.
Probably 100% good.
Ooh, I see some red.
I take a shot and it's now you. I don't want to live without you. There's the feeling that it's not you. I wanna chill, I wanna go, wanna enjoy, I wanna walk, nothing with me, just you. 전화를 때리러 갈게. Hit me a 기분 별로 있대. 기억너지든 간에 달려와 나한테 안겨서 보고 싶었다는 말 한마디면 녹아버리네. Like a subway, 꿈만 같아, 같이 자. What's so small, lucky to be with you.
Jeez, look.
You know, considering you can't even put these on till spring, I think you should just wait.
I'm too deep now.
Don't you miss and scuff up that whatever it is.
Oh, I'm loving the whip on that.
Uh-huh. Big lips, honey. That was sexy. Look at that.
Let's go for that.
Very nice.
Wanna get you right now. It's take me like bomb. Heart goes beat so go splash on my brain. Wanna get you 당장.